Well, we had our button quail babies hatch. Right now I've got them in with some lavender, two lavender Araconas and a Easter egger chicks. They help teach the quail how to drink and eat properly. They're super tiny. Look at them, that's cute. So this is how small they are. Super babies. Look at that. They're super tiny, about the size of maybe a silver dollar. US American silver dollar. Or 50 cent piece maybe. But they hatched and they're really super adorable. That's a regular size chick, and those are the button quail. Right, look at that one, that's